Hello children, how are you all today? I hope you all are good and fine. Children, today I am going to introduce you letter F. Yes, today I am going to introduce you letter F. But before we start our class, let's revise previous letters. Okay? Will you revise with me? Yes? Okay, let's start. A says a, apple. A says a, apple. B says ball. C says cat. D says doll. E says elephant. E says elephant. So today I am going to introduce you letter F. Children, after E what comes? Yes, after E F comes. So today I am going to introduce you letter F. Okay, so look at the blackboard. So children, which letter is this? Yes, this is letter F. This is capital F and this is small f. This is mama F and this is baby F. The sound of letter F is f. The sound of letter F is f. Yes. Now I have some pictures which starts from letter F. I have some pictures which starts from letter F. So look at the blackboard. Okay. F for flower, F for flower, F for flower, F for flower, F for frog, F for frog, F for frog, F for frog. Next picture is F for fish, F for fish, F for fish, F for fish. F for frog, F for frog, F for frog. Yes, these are the pictures which starts from letter F. Children, there are so many words which starts from letter F. F for fox, F for 5, F for 4, F for fingers. Yes, so you have to practice all the words which starts from letter F. Children, let's revise one more time. Okay, will you revise with me? Yes. Okay, let's start. F for flower, F for flower, F for frog, F for frog, F for fish, F for fish, F for frog, F for frog. Yes. So children, these are the pictures which starts from letter F. Yes. So now children, we will practice finger writing. Yes. Let's revise with me. Okay. First, you have to make standing line, then sleeping line, then one more sleeping line. It makes letter F. Yes, it makes letter F. Repeat again. Standing line, sleeping line. Then one more sleeping line. It makes letter F. Yes. Now we will write letter F. How to write letter F? So look at the blackboard. Now children, we will practice letter F. How to write letter F in your notebook. So look at the blackboard. Okay. First, you have to make a standing line, sleeping line and one more sleeping line in the middle. It makes letter F. Yes. Once again, standing line, sleeping line and one more sleeping line in the middle. It makes letter F. One more time, standing line, sleeping line, one more sleeping line. Let's revise one more time. Okay? Standing line, sleeping line. One more sleeping line. Okay? Standing line, sleeping line. One more sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. One more sleeping line. It makes letter F. So children, you must practice this letter at your home and revise all the letters you have done in the class. Okay? Revise all the words which starts from letter F. Okay? So keep practicing, keep learning, have fun. Bye-bye. See you. See you in next video.